how to remove Bing from Windows 11. Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can remove Bing. So let's get into it. First up, go into settings, and you can do that by just simply clicking right click on the start and go into settings. Or what you can do is hit Windows and I, and it'll open up the settings option. Then what you want to do is go into privacy and security, scroll down, and you will find permissions right here, search permissions. Click on it, and over here, scroll down, turn off all these options. This will turn off all the suggestions that pop up usually from here. But yeah, now over here, as you can see, all of the search suggestions are gone right here, even in the Windows. So they're all gone. So that's what we need to do. Next, what you want to do is go into settings, and right here at the bottom, Windows privacy settings, and turn off all these as well. You can see what they do right here. So we don't need these. So we're going to turn them off as well. Next, we'll turn off Bing from the Edge as well. So Microsoft Edge, go into open it up right here. And it is using Copilot as of right now, but click on these three dots, click on settings, privacy and search, scroll down. You will have address bar and search. So we're going to click over here, click on manage search engine. And over here, you can see we have Bing. We'll remove that. We'll make this Google one default by just simply clicking on the three buttons and make default. There we go. And now we can just simply remove it as well, but I don't think we can. But yeah, we've now made Google our default search browser. So yeah, you can even change the search engine from here as well. You don't even need to go over here, click on manage. You don't need to come over here. You can just search and change it to Google from here. Next, you want to change this one over here, search on new tab using search box or address box. We're going to select address box because if we go with search box, it still uses Bing. So we're going to select address bar. Next, what you want to do is go into start, home, and new tabs. And over here, change over here. You can, select open these pages when, you start Edge. Open these pages, click on add new page and add Google and click on add. And then over here on home button, we can turn it on and click on URL. All right, we'll shift from new tab to URL and we'll click on save. And over here we have, yeah, that looks good. And you should be good to go. Then you can just simply close it up, turn it on again. And yeah, as you can see, new page is going to be Google. And now what we want to do is we want to turn off permanently. We need to go into registry. So we'll click on reg, run as administrator. Next over here, we want to click on H key local machine. Then over here, we want to go into software. And then from here, we want to go into policies and then Microsoft. Next, you should see Edge over here, but if you don't see it, you can just simply create a new one. So to do that, just simply right click on Microsoft, click on new, click on key, and then over here, add in Edge, type Edge, and then over here, right click, click on new, and select dword32, and you want to name this hub sidebar. So you want to type this right here and make sure you type it exactly like this, hubs sidebar enabled. And yeah, that should do it. Then if you open up Edge and type Edge, go into version, go into Edge/policies, you go into policies, you will see you have a new policy enabled. And yeah, that is it. That should do it. And then you will see your Bing icon is gone from this sidebar. So yeah, even the Copilot option is gone. So there you go. That is how you do it. That is how you remove Bing from your Windows 11. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.